Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So if you saw my last video, you saw the box of tools that I got, and I'm pretty excited about one of the items that was in, well, all of them, but one of the items in particular I'm excited about getting started on. So, and that is this thing. And I'm going to call it a, I guess I'll call it a angled crescent wrench. That's probably not what it's called, but you know, that's what I call it. Anyway, it's a B&C made in Springfield, Mass. And that means Bemis and Call Co. Callco or Call? I'm going to say it's probably Bemis and Call. Anyway, there it is, and it's in pretty good shape. You know, everything seems to work pretty well. You know, but let's clean it up and maybe we can spruce it up, make it look better. So anyway, let's get to it. Well, I don't think that's going to work. Here's the dilemma. I could probably drill it out, and then I'd have it all in pieces, and it would be much easier to work on. But what if I am not able to put a new pin in there? What if right now it works just fine. So I think instead I'm going to just try to clean it up as it is, and we'll just leave it at that. Back to it. Okay, well that's it. You know, I gotta say that when I watch these videos and I see some of the other tool restorer guys, you know, I see it and I go, I want to do that. And they all make it look so easy, but it's not easy, you know, it's hard. This thing had a lot of pitting on it, and I kind of had to, eventually I had to get the angle grinder out because that's the only thing that would make a dent. And this isn't as good as I'd like, but I will say it still looks pretty good. So, and it works good. So, there you go. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.